K-fob style IoT temperature sensor. As part of the RIoT series, the K-fob style temperature sensor is perfect for wireless temperature measurements, transmitting an RF signal at preset time intervals. When used with the RF Solutions RIoT-Hub, users can view temperature readings on their smart devices from anywhere in the world. Alerts can be configured to trigger notifications and activate a local RF receiver unit, which provides switching relay contacts. This self-contained sensor is ready to deploy and features auto transmission at preset intervals. It offers an accuracy of 0.5 degrees Celsius from 0 to plus 65 degrees Celsius and 1 degree Celsius when temperature is from minus 40 to plus 85 degrees Celsius. It is designed to be waterproof, rated IP68. The sensor is powered by a CR2032 battery, which provides over 1 million transmissions. The K-fob temperature sensor can be purchased as a stand-alone sensor or as a part of a system. Please note, this K-fob sensor can only be used with additional hardware, which is RIoT-Hub.
In this video, using the RIoT Mini Hub and a RIoT Control app, we'll show how to set up your smart device to remote control receivers. Your RIoT Mini Hub needs to already be set up onto your local Wi-Fi. There are two app versions for RIoT Control. The RIoT Control standard version has preset transmitter buttons, whereas the RIoT Control Pro allows the installer to create customized buttons and name these. Once in Learn mode, operate the switch on your app that you wish to pair. Your device will now operate your receiver. If you're using multiple buttons to use with a receiver with multiple relays, for example, a receiver with 4 relay channels, ensure each transmitter switch on your app is on a separate channel. When placing the first channel on your receiver into pairing mode, by operating channel 1 on your app, this will automap buttons 1 to 4 to relays 1 to 4 on your. You can also enable the feedback feature on your switches, which allows you to monitor the status of your paired relays from the green active. To add multiple devices to operate the same relay outputs, repeat the steps. Once your relays and your app buttons are paired, you can operate your receiver from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, your Mini Hub is connected to Wi-Fi and within operating range with the paired receiver.